Surveys and polls have a multitude of applications in education. For example, a survey or poll could be used to coordinate a group decision, gather feedback from stakeholders, and even check in on the emotional well-being of colleagues and learners. Likewise, there are a number of tools which can be used for the creation of surveys and polls, and finding the right one will depend on your needs, your stakeholders, your location, your organisation, and the cost. In this short video, you will be introduced to different digital tools that can be used to survey and poll respondents. SharePoint surveys. SharePoint is a Microsoft application which requires a subscription which your institution may have. Surveys are a special kind of list that enables the owner to create questions, have multiple people respond, and see a summary of the results. This has useful features such as branching logic. Mentimeter. This particular tool allows you to gather information and insight from an audience using a variety of interactive polls. This is effective for engaging audiences and collecting information from stakeholders quickly and efficiently. This tool has useful data visualization to understand the insights from it simply, such as graphs and word clouds. There are useful templates to integrate this tool into presentations. Slido. Slido has both free and paid-for options, which can be used across different meeting types and has use cases for different situations such as online meetings, hybrid working, or face-to-face experiences. This tool can be used to create different question types to gain insights from stakeholders and allows for real-time analysis to be gathered from your audience. Microsoft Forms. This option requires a Microsoft account to create a form. Microsoft Forms is a quick and straightforward way to get surveys out to your stakeholders or learners. To set up a survey, you need to log into a Microsoft account on the Office 365 website. Locate the Forms application and then select New. Within this, you can then add a title, description, and questions relevant to your research goals and objectives. Microsoft Forms can also be useful for creating evaluation surveys that can be used for learners to feedback on courses or units of study. In a Teams meeting, you can quickly add a Microsoft form to get instant feedback from your learners or stakeholders about a particular topic and the analysis of which is available immediately. In Teams, by creating a poll, you can quickly survey your audience to help with decision making. To create a poll, go to the group chat where you want to create it, tap the plus button next to the type a message field, tap on polls. On the poll screen, enter your questions and options. You can tap add for a total of 6 choices. Share this with your audience and receive immediate feedback. Padlet. This website hosts an interactive, collaborative tool that allows you to gain rich qualitative feedback from stakeholders in real time. A question can be posted onto a website, allowing answers from others who have been given the link. This can be used, for example, in an online training session with a question such as, "What are the expectations you have coming into this session today?" This would allow the host and participants to see in real time if they are of the same understanding. It can also utilise various forms of media, such as video and audio. There are a whole host of tools that you can use to create surveys and polls that have not been covered in this course so far. Finding the right tool will depend on what your needs are as an institution, an individual, and that of your stakeholders. You should now complete the activities below to continue building your knowledge of survey tools and polls.